Okay, I need to show you guys how to get some help with problems. So what I did is I went through and I created a DESMOS activity that just has some blank whiteboards in it. This will give you the ability for you to show me your work, and then you can send me a note to say, hey, I did this stuff. Can you please take a look at it? So in order to show you this effectively, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Student View on my Canvas and I'll show you what's up. Student View. All right, so I'm going to go into Modules, and up at the top of Modules, I've got this help, please help with this problem link right here. If you click on this little assignment, it says it's worth 1 point, but it's not a part of the grade. Here is some description. Open the DESMOS activity, log into your DESMOS student account. Write what you know about the problem you are stuck on one of the slides. Send me a note by submitting a comment in this assignment. I will go back and look at what you have written out on the slide and see how I can help. You can click above or go to this site right here. Okay, so this takes me into the actual activity. I'm going to put that in a separate window. So this takes me into the DESMOS activity where I had already clicked once before. I can continue the activity. It recognizes me. And I can go ahead and say this is slow. Let's zoom in a little. I'm going to use pencil right here. I'm going to say this is the Unit 1 test. All right, go here, go to next, and say I was looking at absolute value of 13 is equal to the opposite of the absolute value of negative 13. What are those? Okay, so maybe I don't understand what those are, that they're absolute value. Now I can go back to my thing. I can hit submit. I think I can. There it goes. On slide 2, I showed I don't understand. And then I hit submit. That's all I need to do. That should get me all set. Try it out. See if it works for you.